So today we're going to find the simplest, very simple technique how to find your spouse in Vedic astrology. Very simple. It is very simple to understand. Just looking at the Dharkaraka planet, which is your spouse, which is the holding the lowest degree in your chart. So when using this chart as an example to find your spouse planet, we're going to use the simple technique here is to use Dharkarka planet, which is holding the lowest degree. Now in this chart, if you can see who is the lowest degree of all planets, do you see anything that is lower in number? Let me just if you can spot it already, it is Saturn. Now, who is the Atma Karaka? If you can spot it, the Atma Karaka is Jupiter. Now, so is it your Dharkaraka planet, Jupiter or Saturn? If you say that it is Saturn, you are correct. So your spouse represents Saturn. Now, how do you find your potential spouse in Vedic astrology? When you're finding this one person that is meant for you, it's either that you meet this person during the Mahadasha itself of that planet, which is Saturn. So, if you're running Mahadashas of Saturn, or Antardashas of Saturn, or Pranadashas of Saturn, or Sukmadashas of Saturn, you have to remember this, in either Jupiter Mahadasha or in Saturn Mahadasha, or in Saturn Mahadasha, but also you meet this Jupiter Antardasha. There's always two connections between the you, which is the Atma, which is Jupiter in this case, and then the spouse, which is the lowest, which is Saturn, which is Dharkaraka. That is represents you, your spouse. Is it really simple? Yes, it is. We don't have to look what is sign, what is the house. Just focus on the Dharkaraka planet that holds the lowest degree in your chart. The rest, then you can just calculate it. Oh, okay, this is in Pisces, for example. This is in Aries. That's just for the characters. That's for the characteristic of your spouse. But if we saying what the spouse looks like, every planet hold different characteristic. So in this chart, because this is Saturn as the Dharkaraka, meaning your spouse will be older than you, or somehow the face is just much mature than you. This is as an example, the easiest way to understand and to see who is your Dharkaraka planet.